Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can recover your Gmail account by using your phone number. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail application. After opening the Gmail, simply click on this Add an Email Address button. From there, select Google. Now, after a short processing, it will give you this tab. You just simply have to enter your email address into this box at the top. After entering the email address, click through this Next button. It will ask you for the password. Now, you have to click on this Forgot Password option and click on this Try Another Way button. Now, you will get the verification code into your phone number. To get the verification code into the phone number, you can choose either the text or call option here. You just simply have to choose the easier option for you. I'm choosing text here. After clicking there, Google will send you a verification code. You just simply have to enter the code in the box. If you have the SIM card in your phone where you are trying to log in, your verification process will be automatic. After doing all this, you can update your password to a new one or continue without changing the password. By following these very easy steps, you can easily recover your Gmail account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.